Are you tired of paying the high cost of your lighting bills? We can help. Welcome to JK Lighting Systems. We have been doing energy conservation since 1977, and we would like to tell you a little about LED lighting and how it can help save your company money while reducing the effect on the environment. We imagine you have heard the benefits of LED lighting versus the lighting you currently have. And maybe you have already started the transition, but have found the process confusing or even hard on the bank account. That is where we can help. We know that many of you are already sold on the concept of LED lighting, but you're often unsure on how to go about it. We at JK Lighting Systems can walk you through the whole process from start to finish. We can help you identify your unique lighting circumstances and design a plan for your lighting solution. We can even help execute the plan to make sure you get the best quality, pricing, efficiencies, and warranties available. We could even help you with your rebates from the utility company and direct you to some of the best financing options, saving you time and helping you fund your project. Now keep in mind that LED lighting lasts longer, produces less heat, plus produces a higher light quality. So what exactly does it mean for you? It means you don't have to change your lamps nearly as often because LED lasts 50 times longer. This is a major plus for you. You will not have to hire someone to replace your lamps, especially for those hard-to-reach areas, or rent a scissor lift, or a boom truck for those exterior pole lights, or building lights. So in addition to reducing your energy bills, you will also be saving your maintenance fees. You will not only provide a more comfortable and productive environment for your employees, the LED lighting will attract more customers for your business. You will also be doing the planet a favor. It's the right thing to do, and we can help you make it a reality. The best part is, there is no upfront fees and no obligation to implement the direction and bid. We have many LED fixtures perfect to fit your needs, from new to retrofit. For example, the LED Adjustable Hinge Kit, great to retrofit your old strip fluorescent fixtures. The LED 180-watt Flood, a very sleek, stealth-designed area floodlight, great for parking lots. The LED 180-watt Acrylic High Bay, commonly used for commercial buildings, warehouses, or shipping and receiving areas. The LED 200-watt UFO High Bay, good for showrooms, factories, workshops, supermarkets, and gas stations. These are just a few of our LED fixtures that might fit your needs. You may pause the video at this time by tapping your spacebar. Look for the Show More tab located just below this video. You will find links to all of our LED fixture spec sheets. And finally, the ultimate energy solution is the combination of LED and solar. Please take a look at what Roseville Toyota did.
Welcome back to Studio 40 Live.
Yeah, I had the chance to hang out with the Sullivan Auto Group, and they're doing some big things over there. They're calling it Flip the Switch, a huge energy retrofit project. Check it out. I'm at Roseville Toyota, the Sullivan Auto Group undergoing a huge energy efficiency retrofit. They are flipping the switch. What does all that mean? Let's go find Mr. Sullivan himself. Now we are here with Mr. Sullivan to talk a little bit about this exciting retrofit that you guys are doing here at the Auto Group. This is a big deal for you guys.
It is a big deal for the Sullivan Auto Group, yes it is.
Now talk about where things were and where things are going now with all of this new energy efficiency here at the building.
Well, first of all, the Empower organization with Placer County and the County Board of Supervisors has funded this program. It's a $5.7 million program, and we're retrofitting all of our dealerships with the energy savings.
And you've been in Sacramento a long time, so you're seeing big changes.
Big changes, big energy changes, not only in Sacramento, but across the country.
So today is kind of a celebration. You have a lot of people here to see what you've done and to show off all of the exciting things that are happening.
This is probably the largest single effort made in energy savings by one organization in Northern California.
Now, I don't know if they cleared it by you, but they've given me permission to go up on the roof. I'm going to go check it out.
That's going to be a nice place to go, I tell you.
Well, we made it to the rooftop. We left out the video of the climb. You don't want to see that. But now we're here with Ted Novak, the president of Next Step Energy, to talk about this huge project. And now that we are up here, you can see what a major undertaking this has been.
This is a huge project, and we're so excited that John Sullivan has decided to make this investment. And basically, we came to him and said, you know, John, you need 4,000 solar panels. Unless you change your lights out in the parking lot, each head uses 1,100 watts. If you replace that with a 300 watt LED light, it'll get the same amount of light for 80% less energy. And then if you put a cool roof on your building, it'll reflect the sunlight, so it won't add heat to your building. And then we told them about Climate Wizard, which uses 80% less energy than a standard air conditioner, and it lasts longer.
So there's a lot of pieces working together to make this whole project work the way it does.
Absolutely. We ended up only selling him 1,200 solar panels instead of 4,000. So the energy efficiency work that we did really helped. Also, Empower financed this entire project for no money out of pocket for John, and he's paying Empower back with the savings. It's just an amazing project, and John has the foresight to see, I'm either going to pay this in utilities or I can pay the county back with my savings.
So it's making a huge difference, and as we look around here on the rooftop, I mean, you can see how much has gone into this.
His carbon footprint has gone down to practically so low, it's incredible. You know, the sun produces enough energy in one day for our entire world to use for an entire year. So if more people would jump on this bandwagon and put this solar to work, it would be fantastic.
So today's the big day because they're saying they're flipping the switch.
That's right.
And as mayor, it's my pleasure to bring John up, please, to present a resolution to you. I am not going to read the whereases and the what ifs. So I just thank you again for your partnership, John.
The award was a resolution on behalf of the Roseville City Council to John L. Sullivan and his group about the importance of what they've just accomplished in installing this solar rooftop, and commending them for trying to save the environment from bringing more solar into the businesses and into our Roseville and our region.
We're really pleased and proud to be here at John L. Sullivan celebrating the largest PACE-financed energy efficiency and solar installation retrofit project in the Sacramento region, one of the largest in the state, and we believe also one of the largest in the nation.
We can help.